trying to do something different, like a vlog maybe. Let's begin. So in the meantime, we have this Thomas from Mattel, and we are about to make some customs. Now they will not be done the same day, but at least I'm going to show you the process day after day. So it's very easy. So we're going to disassemble these models, and with the help of my girlfriend right now, as you can see, it's not my hand, so she is back to work with us because we have an online store. Now the same it's for this Tomy Thomas. The only difference that this Tomy Thomas, you can remove the, let's say, the neck or the head. It's glued, but the material, like the one you saw before, it's very easy to remove. We only remove the face. Now let's take some pictures for these models. So we have Proteus, Handle, Free Face James, Custom Salty, Trojan B James, Snowy Diesel, Custom Blue James, and a Golden Thomas. All these go for my online store webpage. Let's take some pictures. Okay, that looks good, not bad. Now we have Henry that needs a gear replacement. It's kind of noisy, so probably you know the olden type process. Then we are just going to show you part of it. So once you disassemble, we're gonna remove the noisy gear and put another one. Now same process is for the next engine, the Thomas. So we're just gonna finish the process with Thomas. Once you replace the engine, you gotta reassemble again and again and again, as you've seen in other videos. Very easy to make it, very easy to do it. So if you have any questions or you're missing some info, you can go onto my channel and check other videos. There's tons of videos where you can compare and fix your models by yourself. Looking good, this Thomas. Now the next one is this Spencer. Spencer is really rusty, corrosion on the battery compartment. So also we want to make some custom model. It's been almost a year since we make this custom, the custom blue engine out of Spencer. So we're just gonna remove all the parts needed, and we will repaint it. That is very easy. There's not a lot of parts involved. So that's all for these parts. Now we are here ready for painting these models. We are going to do some custom models, and that will be for the next video. But at least I'll show you part of the process. Now in our shipping today, we have Scarloy. This one sold on our page. Very quiet engine. So we gotta ship those 3 engines for today. And we have this Hank from 2009. And the tender is not the driven, and is the engine that drives the model. Remember, the Hit Toy company also, it's tender motorized, but in this case it's a Mattel, and it's the engine that is motorized. And it's quiet also, but for the age, if you compare other models, are really noisy. Now we have this custom troublesome van. So if you remember, this is the fastest we have on our store. So this one is already for shipping, really fast. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Amazing. So now we are printing the shipping labels, and we're going to put it on some boxes or padded envelopes depending on the engine or the model that we are about to ship. So for privacy purposes, I'm not going to show you the addresses, of course. So we are just going to cover everything. And here it goes, our fastest van custom model. And Scarloy goes in this bag. Nice. I'm going to do a little mail time to finish this video. And let's find out what's inside. Oh, looking good. That's amazing. So we have these express coaches for Thomas. These models are from Mattel 2009, and it's the complete set, the matching set. Yeah, really awesome. How about Thomas? Thomas looks really clean, really nice. Let me put some batteries to see if it works. Look how noisy this model. I'm gonna put the mic very close. That's really loud engine. So if you see, it's really noisy. There's a little tear on this sticker. But other than that, it's a really nice set. So I have another set of these express coaches on my online store, and also you can find this on eBay from other sellers. Of course, prices are matched on eBay, and the difference is we have this available on our store, customtrackmasters.com. And yep, here they are, the parts we painted at the beginning of the video. We already painted. They are ready to assemble, to be assembled, and we are going to do that on the next video.